Hello dear all. So as I promised, I will show you how you can solve this issue of taking screenshots for your website in order for different dimensions. Here are the 4 dimensions we will focus on, and to obtain 4 images as these ones, which are represented through these thumbnails. But the images should be in the end of this width, so we have to resize them, and they have to have a certain height, the same height, namely 414 pixels. So our objective is to create such screenshots without squeezing them. Let's see if we will be able to do that. And the steps are really simple, so we are going to go together through them. So the first step, we have to create some views for this certain width, okay? Because here, so we will start with this incognito page. It doesn't matter which page we are going to focus, and I am using Google Chrome, and when I right click I have this panel. I can choose inspect, and here if you press on this, if this is colored, then you can see your web page on different devices which have different widths and heights which are already defined. But we need certain widths, this screen width, so we are going to create with so I went here to edit, and here we can add custom devices. So we are going to add for smartphone, and we need 320 pixels. Do not bother with the height because we are going to, or let's put it like 850. I think it will be enough. So we add a new device, and here you can see that we have smartphone, and we add the others as well. So now that we have created all of them, here you can see that we have views for 320 and given, so for the given dimensions, and tablet and netbook and desktop. And now we have done the first step. We created the views for the third required screen width. Okay, and now we are going to make the screenshots. So we are going again to the smartphone. We will start with the smartphone, and here on these 3 dots you will get this, and we can make a capture the screenshot, or we can capture the full size of the screenshot. So if the page is longer, then it will capture the entire length of your page. So we are going to do that, and we are going to save the screenshot into a folder that we will refer to further on, called screenshots. So we are saving it. Okay, we are going next to the tablet. Again, we capture full size. We are saving it. We are going to the netbook. Again, capture, save. We are going to the desktop, and again we capture and save. And now we are going to that directory. Okay, here is the screenshots directory, and here we have them all. So if we are going to open them, then we want to resize, adjust size. We want the size to be 157. So we are going to resize to 157, and we won't modify the height, so we won't modify it. So we are going to save. Okay, we are going through all of them. So the next is the tablet, and for that we need 390. Adjust size, 390, save, and for this we 522, and the last one is the desktop, for which again we adjust the size, and we want 818. And we are going to save them, and now we have all those files. Let's see. And now we are going to crop them. Okay, so we have here, and we crop them. I can crop it to 440. I am save, and now the dimensions are as we want it. We go to the next one. We are going to crop it to 14. Okay, and let's see now. We have the dimensions that we wanted. Okay, we are going to the next one. Again, we are going to crop it. Okay. Let's check. These are the required dimensions. Okay. And the last one. So 414 here. Okay. Crop it, save it, and check it. And we have the required dimensions. So now we got our 4 images as they were required. So that is all. Hope this will help. I'll see you next time. Bye now.